Balancing Chemical Equations by Carly Ruda. First, you start off by counting how many elements there are. On the left, there are 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen, and on the right, there are 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, plus 2 oxygen, which is 3 oxygen. Now to start balancing the equation, we are going to make these into 4 by multiplying by 2. And do the same on this side. And now we're going to have 4 oxygen as well. So what we did is we multiplied by 2 here to get these new numbers. And we multiplied by 2 here because 2 times 2 is 4. So now we have 2 molecules of each, and everything is balanced. 4, 4, 4, and 4. Again, we start by counting how many there is of each element. So on the left, there are 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, and on the right, there are 2 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Now we are going to rewrite it as 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. So now we are going to bring down another H2O molecule. And on the right, we are going to rewrite it as 4 hydrogen and keep it the same for the oxygen, which is just 2. So we multiplied by 2 here and 2 here. So now our final answer is 2 H2O molecules, 2 H2 molecules, and just 1 O2 molecule. So once again, we start off by counting the number of each kind. So there's 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, and 2 oxygen on the left. And on the right, there is 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, and 3 oxygen. So now we're going to rewrite the equation. So we still have 1 carbon, we still have 4 hydrogen, but now we have 4 oxygen. And on the right, we still have 1 carbon, but we now have 4 hydrogen and 4 oxygen. And now we can just pull down another water molecule. So the final answer is 1 CH4 plus 2 O2 plus 1 CO2 and 2 H2O. Okay, so on the left we have 3 carbon, 8 hydrogen, and 2 oxygen. And on the right we have 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, and 3 oxygen. And now we can just start by pulling 1 of each down. So now we're going to start out by balancing our carbon. So we can bring 3 of these down. And so now we have 3 carbon on both sides. And we still have 2 hydrogen, but now we have 7 oxygen. So now we can start off by balancing out our hydrogens. So we can bring down the rest, or 3 of these. And so now when we rewrite our equation, it's going to look like still 3 carbon, 8 hydrogen, and 10 oxygen. And now we need to balance this out over here, so we're going to bring down more CO2s. Which then gives us an answer of 10 oxygen, which balance out the equation. So our final answer is 1 of those, 5 O2s, and 3 CO2s, and 4 H2Os.